I'll tell you how you can push the data inside the array by using this method. Hello my dear friends, my name is Samir. In today's video we are going to learn about array.push method in JavaScript. It's a built-in method on the array instance like array.filter, foreach or map. So why do we need to learn this method? Okay, I'll tell you why. This method is going to be very handy as you will be needing to pushing the data inside the array. By meaning of pushing, meaning that if you want to insert the data inside the array, inside the existing array, then you are going to need this array.push method. I'll tell you how you can push the data inside the array by using this method. Okay, it is the syntax looks like this: arr.push. So arr is our array which is we have initialized on the line number 1, and let's assume we want to push 4 right now. Okay, so what this method is going to do is it is going to take this 4 element and place it right here on the on the third index, because the index starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, and this is our third index. So it is going to place it over here on the last index. Okay, and what else does this array.push method do? It will return you the updated length. Okay, so this is all. It was all the theory right now. So so what we have done is we have just written some code, but to verify that we can use our console statement. Okay, so let us write some console.log, and we need to verify our previous value. So I'll simply write a text identifier over here, previous value separated by comma, our value which is our array, and I have named it as arr. Then let me push the data inside the array. Array.push. Yes, so this is how we are going to push the data inside the array, and we are going to push 4, right? And since we also wanted to get the return value of this statement, so we'll be wrapping it inside the console here, and updated, we'll call it as updated length, updated length. Okay, because this array.push method is going to do 2 tasks. One, it will push the data this 4 right here. Okay, and after pushing the data, after this pushing task is done, it will give you the updated value of the length of the array. Okay, for instance, now this array has 3 elements, but after you push 4 inside it, it will have 4 elements and the length would be also 4. Got it? So these will do this particular statement which is highlighted in the selected portion. It will push, I'm repeating that. Okay, so it will push the data inside the array, and after pushing the data it will give us the updated length. Okay, that is what the array.push method is going to do. And after pushing the data, we also need to check the updated array. So we are going to write our last statement over here, which is our updated array, and we are going to call it as updated array, and here we simply pass the updated array, and let us call this previous array. Okay, so here let's reiterate this. We are printing the previous array value, which should be 1, 2 and 3 before updating the array, and after updating the array, meaning pushing the four element inside the array, it will push the data inside the array, and it will give us the updated length, which should be 4, meaning that we have 4 elements inside the array and it should give us 4, and after that it should give us the updated array, which means the array should have fourth element placed in the last of the array. Okay, if I have not said you in this video, let me say it right now. If you use the array.push method, it will place your element behind the array. Okay, not at the start, not at the middle, behind the array. Every single time whenever you're using this method, just remember that it will going to push your data inside the backside of the array. Okay, not the middle or in the front or any random place, in the backside of the array. Okay, got it. Now let's save this, and I'll run this file in my terminal, so it will print all the console statements over here only. Yes, so like I said, our previous value is the array value, which is this 1, 2 and 3. Then updated length, after pushing the data inside the array, this array.push method is giving us the updated length, meaning that it is saying, see, now I have done my task, I have pushed the 4 element which you said me, but now take the updated length from me. Okay, and we have our the last statement over here, which is the updated value, and we can see that after pushing the data, our 4th element has been placed over here. And just like 4, you can print and you can push anything. You can push string as well. Let's say my name is Samir, so I'll push my name, and we can see that as well, and Samir would be considered as one element. Okay, let me clear this console first, and I'll run the file again. Here, see, we have 3 values previously, and after pushing one value, which is Samir, our length is 4, and our updated array is holding the Samir value in the last of the array. Like I said, it will place our element in the last of the array. Let's assume you want to push multiple values over here. Okay, it could be string, numbers. So what we can do we can wrap it inside the array, and let's for another example, Salman Khan, the heavy driver. Okay, and let's push Amir Khan as well. Okay, so all the famous actors should be like on the same level. I'm also an actor, if you don't know. And then Shah Rukh Khan. Sorry, Shah Rukh Khan fans, if I made any typo over here. And let me save this. Okay, and so yeah, like I said, if you want to push multiple values inside the array, we can pass it in the array notation, and we have to use 3 dots. Okay, so it will be pushing these elements like single elements. Okay, and if you don't use this array would be pushed inside our existing array, and it should be considered as a single element. Let me show you. I'll just clear this. Okay, and node index.js. Yes, so here, since we have used this 3 dot, each element is been considered as the single element. And if we remove these 3 dots over here and save this file, and again print index.js, you can see that this array is considered as the one element, and since it is considered as one element, our updated length is 4 and not 7 instead. Okay, so this is it, guys. Array.push is very simple method, but I have stretched it to give you extra information. And just like that, if you want to dive deeper in any kind of method in JavaScript or in the web development, you can consider liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Okay, if you like my content, it will reach to others student like you, And this is it guys from this video, and stay in touch to get more updates on my channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.